Alright guys, today I got the new tool here. It's a double ratchet tool and the way it works is it's tight this way. I turn it around, it loosens the other way. So here are four nuts that I need to take off. One, two, three, four. To take this bracket off and then take the mounts off of the bracket. So while I'm doing this, I'm also testing this tool. And it's working pretty good. One down. Two down. These are very tight. Three. And the last one. बम्पर पे काम करना शुरू कर दो. So there you go. The bracket comes off. Now I'm gonna see if I can get these ones off. Gee. These are number 8. The other nuts were number 10. There you go. So finally, the brackets are off, and now I'm gonna clean all this up. So what's gonna happen? This slope right here, it's gonna extend almost the length of itself. It's gonna come right up to here, this way, and then it's gonna go in and then curve up. This part is gonna come out, and then there's gonna be a whole lip here. So, and so once this is out about 6 inches, right up to here, and then I'm going to blend these towards the edge. So there's going to be a foam strip here that's going to fill this, and I'm going to extend these to maybe about a half an inch or inch, because I've, like, according to my research, even the sides are a little extended, so the only way I can do it without touching the back mounts is add more to it from the front, and these slots for the grills are going to shrink down. So they're gonna, like, from the height is gonna get reduced, and so is their angle. I think they're gonna come on a slightly different angle. So these will be done totally differently. And since I'm moving them further forward, so instead of here, this slot is actually gonna be made right in here, like about an inch in front, right in this area. So let's see how it goes, because I'm very optimistic and I'm pretty much sure I can do it. It's just a matter of time for me to figure this out and do my research. And I've done a lot of research, and I feel comfortable doing it on this bumper. And like I said, this is going to be my experiment. It's an experimental bumper, and if I'm successful with it at the end, great. Maybe I'll make the molds from this and produce more bumpers, or maybe I'll just use this on my car and see how the future comes. But for now, I'm gonna be using this bumper as a basis for my new Night Rider front bumper. So for now, I think what I'll do is I'll put these brackets back on here, so all this stays as one unit together. I mean, these are rusted, but they're still pretty good. I can clean them up and use them for something else also, you know. These are pretty good. And even the washers, even once they are clean of all this rust, I'm sure they can still be used. So I'm just gonna put that here. This goes in the garbage, so is this, and yep, the tool worked and it works great. Alright guys, this is for now, and once I do more I will update you on that. And so I'm trying to find a paint remover. If any of you guys know what paint remover should I use, so it does not distort the shape or heat up the plastic here. This is polyurethane or poly some kind of a plastic material here. And please suggest me in the comments below, and let me know what like a paint stripper should I use to take all this red paint off, because this whole thing is going to get stripped off, and then it's going to give me all the surface I need to glue the new parts on to, you know, fabricate this into a Knight Rider bumper. Alright guys, take it easy, and see you shortly. Bye bye.